STN. My name is Lucas Saavedra.
And my name is Gianfranco Torres. And we're coming to you from Homestead, Florida, where we're competing in the 2025 Crazy 8s competition, a city that truly embodies the spirit of community and belonging.
That's right, Franco. We've got a lot in store for you today. So let's take a quick look at what's coming up in today's show. We'll dive into the local gem, Robert is here, and explore the power of community connection. Also, we'll get a look into the local library, the Cybrarium.
And we have an important PSA on safe driving to wrap up the show.
All this and more on the special edition of Python TV.
In the heart of Homestead, Florida, there's a place that's more than just a fruit stand. It's a destination filled with history, flavor, and a true sense of community.
My experience has been really good. The food here is extremely good in my opinion. The fruit's really fresh and the shakes are like super good.
People are welcome here because they certainly are. And we like to educate people and teach them how to do different fruit that they've never seen. And it's just what makes people feel good, you know. And it's the 3 rules of business. In any business you're going to do, you can be a darn garbage man. It's honesty, integrity, and hard work. No matter what you're doing, that's the 3 rules. And it'll work.
For over 6 decades, Robert is here has been bringing people together through fresh produce, iconic milkshakes, and unforgettable experiences. But what makes this spot so special isn't just the fruit. It's the feeling of belonging.
Robert is here has made me feel like I'm home because the service here is really good. Everyone's really nice. I think it's really nice how you can feed the animals and it just feels like a really safe environment.
The community loves the safe environment and sense of belonging.
And the community demanded it. The culture demanded it. You know, the humanity did. You know, the people keep coming and they keep having a great time and keep enjoying what we're doing here, and we enjoy people enjoying, you know. It's kind of, this is our life. This is what we do. And this is our way of life, you know.
From fresh fruit to cherished memories, Robert is here is where community and connection thrive. For everyone who visits, it's not just a destination, it's a place to belong. For Python TV, I'm Patrick Edwards, reporting.
What an incredible story, Lucas. It's amazing to see how places like Robert is here help people feel like they truly belong.
Now, let's send it over to Matthew, who will be at the Cybrarium Library to show us another unique space where people can feel a sense of community.
Hello STN, we find ourselves here today in the Homestead Cybrarium, where different communities and families come together to just read books, play games, and have good old playing fun.
My favorite part of my job is helping people find the things that they're looking for and trying to spread, I guess, literature across the community I'm in. I've been here for about my whole life, so seeing people be able to read books or play the games or come together as a community is, I think, really heartwarming. What motivates me is just seeing when I help people find the book they're looking for, or help kids especially find their love for reading. I feel like seeing people understand, a book or something that they have a question about, like the feeling of helping kids is, on our adults too, is really nice.
The Cybrarium has many things to offer to the people of Homestead. For Python TV, Matthew Menendez signing out.
What a powerful story. It really shows that belonging can happen in so many different ways. Now, before you wrap it up, we have an important public service announcement about driving safely.
Stay tuned for some important tips to keep you safe on the road.
In 2022, there were 3,308 people killed and an estimated additional 289,310 people injured in motor traffic crashes involving distracted drivers.
Here at Chrome Avenue, this sign has been posted to show one of the many dangers that we have for distracted driving and unsafe driving, and showing the amount of casualties that we have had so far in this year. This just goes to show one of the many dangers that we have here on the highway. Please drive safe. You belong here.
And that wraps up today's special edition of Python TV. We hope you enjoyed this look at the many ways people find sense in belonging in our communities.
Thank you for tuning into our Crazy 8s coverage. For Python TV, I'm Gianfranco Torres.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra,
reporting.